What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed here, and we are back for another video. And in this video, I want to talk about lists, right? Like leads, sources to get leads from. So I know a lot of you, all of y'all watching this, you're a wholesaler, you're probably grabbing your leads from Propstream, maybe you're using List Source or a few other sources that's out there for us to be able to get a ton of leads. But one source that I don't hear a lot of people talking about is List Shack Pro. Shout out to Antoine Campbell for talking about List Shack Pro. You know, I work with a lot of people all across the nation, some of which use his VA services, and they say that he talks about List Shack Pro all the time. Like, that's his list. It does not miss. So we're going to be going into the software in this video. I'm going to be talking about it, reviewing it, and letting you know whether I think List Shack Pro is a source that you should be looking into to grab yourself some leads. So let's go ahead. Let's get into it, y'all. So we are here at the computer now. As you all can see right here, the service only starts at $50 per month, which is extremely affordable. Create your account, pick your filters, download your list. It says List Shack Pro advantages by direct no contracts, flat monthly rate, instant list access, 24/7 online access, national searches starting at $50 a month. So, and you all can also see some of the consumer filters and business filters right here. They have a very kind of simple website, kind of straight to the point. So let's check out their pricing. So as y'all can see right here, man, look, up to 50,000 leads per month, and you can only download 5,000 records at a time, but 50,000 leads per month, y'all. It's kind of ridiculous out here, to be honest. All right, so I went on ahead and got me an account already, so I'm gonna go ahead and log in and show you the back end of List Shack Pro. As y'all can see, like when you get here, it asks you like what type of leads would you like, business leads or consumer leads. I'm just gonna go ahead and click search consumers. I'm gonna take you all through this process of actually pulling a list. So y'all can see what it looks like and like how it kind of comes out. All right, so I'm just gonna use counties, and I'm gonna do Clark County in Nevada, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start picking my filters. So in this one, I'm gonna get people who are already DNC scrubbed. For the phone scrubbing options, cell phones, I'm gonna say only cell phones, because I'm gonna probably pop this list into REI reply. Or you can kind of do whatever you want to do. You could just say no preference, and then you'll get landlines and cell phones, or you can exclude the cell phones. I'm going to keep this selected as unique phone records only. I'm not going to mess with the address scrubbing. As far as demographics, actually, I am going to change this time. Last time I put a list, I didn't mess with this, but I'm just going to say that the person is at least 40 years old. I'm not going to mess with their birth month, and I'm also not going to mess with their estimated income range. One thing that I do like here is that it has the homeowner status. So you can select whether this person is a homeowner or a renter. So I'm going to say that all of these people are going to be homeowners, obviously. So just so you all know, like, they do provide leads for other industries outside of real estate, such as credit repair people, mortgage lenders. There's a lot of different industries that are going to be using this data. So I'm not going to mess with the marital status or the gender. I'm just going to scroll down here, and I'm going to select advanced filters. I highly recommend that you all do this if you all come into this system. So let's just scroll up. So the estimated property value, depending on your area, you'll probably want to max this out. So just for this example out here in Clark County, I'm just going to put in the maximum property value to be between $225,000 to $249,000, just so I'm not looking at like ultra expensive properties everywhere. Actually, I'm just going to increase it a little bit to up to $350,000 pretty much. And then I'm going to say that they can be multifamilies and single family dwellings. I'm not going to mess with the year built. I'm not going to mess with the purchase month range or the purchase year. I'm not going to mess with the AC information, the pool, or the fuel. But I am going to mess with this mortgage information. I'm going to say does not have a mortgage. So I'm only looking for people who are pretty much, they have free and clear properties. They are homeowners. I only want their cell phones. Let's see what else we got. We got multifamilies and single families, and they are already DNC scrubbed. All right, so I'm not going to mess with this mortgage loan type because we're specifically looking for people who don't have a mortgage. their net worth. I'm not going to mess with that, but I really, really, really like this section right here, which is the credit rating section. Shout out to Antoine Campbell once again. Antoine Campbell talks about List Shack Pro all the time, and from I heard it through the grapevine that like he pretty much says that every time he pulls these bad credit leads, he's cashing out here, period. So look, I'm putting y'all on to some exclusive knowledge, some exclusive game right here. I hope that y'all appreciate it. But like when it comes to this credit rating, what I'm gonna do in this example is that I'm gonna only be selecting people who have a maximum credit score of 549, just so I can kind of eliminate some people and get people who not only have bad credit, they own a property free and clear. It's either single families or multifamilies. They're already gonna be DNC scrubbed, so we're only gonna be contacting people who are not listed on the do not call list, and we're only getting cell phones because I'm most likely gonna be popping this data into REI reply once I pull it. All right, and then I'm not gonna mess with the demographics or the religion. So we're gonna check out and preview these leads now. All right. So they give you like a little bit of a preview of some of the leads or whatever, and the count on here is 22,022 leads. Now that's a lot of leads, y'all. I don't even have to tell y'all, obviously 22K leads, that's more than what you could pull from Propstream on their base level account. 22,000 leads. Right here, all I would have to do is just save this search like Las Vegas, enter number of leads. I would be trying to get all of these leads if I wanted to, but you can only pull up to 5,000 at a time. So if I say 5,000, I'm just going to get all of this information right here. And then I would just download the list. And then it actually happens pretty quickly. I am going to download this list. And it actually happens really quickly. Like you can just get your leads right away. Bang, as y'all see right there. Bang, we got our leads. All we got to do is download them. And then I'm going to go ahead and pop these leads open so you can see what they look like. Bang. So just like that, guys, we got our list that literally took seconds. We got our list. It's 5,000 leads on this list. As y'all can see, man, it's in CSV format. When you upload this into sites like Call Tools, REI Reply, and things of that nature, it's already got the phone number right here as well. Like you're pretty much going to be rocking and rolling. You got your CSV, you got first name, last name, address, city, state, zip, pretty much all of the information you need, and a phone number for these individuals. And you even have their household income as well, which is pretty unique and interesting. So boom, there y'all go. There's a ton of data on here, 5,000 leads. Y'all see that literally took me a couple minutes. You can go inside of here, grab you a nice little list. I am not affiliated with List Shack Pro, but hey, look, List Shack Pro, man, if y'all watching this video, look, reach out to your boy, for real. I really, really like the service, though, and I do highly recommend that you all check it out. I think that if you're already using Propstream, and maybe you've been using Propstream for a long time, and you've pulled tens of thousands of leads from their system already, List Shack Pro is going to be a great supplemental source to grab yourself some more leads, so then you can keep a new variety of people to talk to. You're going to be in a position to be able to not only pull that very niche data from Propstream, but then you can get these bad credit leads as well, which is very niche data as well. Homeowners with bad credit still in your county, your city, your state. So I think that when you start to stack these forms of distress on top of each other, utilizing services such as REI Sift, I think it makes a tremendous difference on your overall success. But I will be making a separate video on REI Sift to kind of break it down, show you what it does and things of that nature, so it makes a lot more sense versus me just kind of showing you in this video. Check out List Shack Pro, grab yourself some leads. You can get up to 50,000 leads with List Shack Pro for only $50 per month. It's kind of like a no-brainer, to be honest with y'all. Come on now, 50,000 leads for $50. Come on now, come on, y'all. So therefore, man, I hope that y'all like this video, man. I hope that it provides some value. All right, so let me know what y'all think about this video, man. Are you gonna be grabbing List Shack Pro? Do you like the fact that you can grab 50,000 leads with bad credit and free and clear and things of that nature? What are y'all thinking about this, man? Drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you appreciate the value and if you're gonna get out here and start checking out List Shack Pro today. Just want y'all to know, man, you know, I'm out here looking a little bit more spiffy than normal or whatever, because I'm going to be going on to the Connected Investors podcast later on today in a couple hours, man. So, you know, I'm getting myself prepped down here and whatnot, man. Make sure that y'all check out the links in the description. Y'all can head right on over to List Shack Pro today to grab yourself a set of leads, man. See what it does for you. You know, Propstream is great, but when you're stacking your leads with multiple forms of distress, maybe you get the bad credit leads from, let's say, like a List Shack Pro. Maybe you grab like the pre-foreclosure list from Propstream, and then you stack those leads on top of each other. Just show me the people who are on both of these lists, so y'all can see where the value in kind of having multiple services to get your leads from. Man, I hope that y'all like this video. Share this video with other people who need to know about services like this. I hope that y'all appreciate it. Until next time, I am out.